Welcome to Study Loop.
Here we have to explain how is second the efficiency of heat pump operating on vapor compression refrigeration cycle defined. We have to provide the alternate definition and so how they can be derived. Provide two alternative definitions and so how it can be derived. Let us see here the solution. The second efficiency of heat pump operating on the vapor compression refrigeration is defined as here power is defined as heat rate of heat transferred at high temperature to coefficient of performance of heat pump and exergy at high temperature is defined as with 1 minus ambient temperature upon temperature of hot reservoir. So putting these value in the efficiency of heat pump, exergy rate of hot reservoir to power Q dot H 1 minus T naught upon TH so it can be written as coefficient of performance of hot pump upon so it can be also written as coefficient of performance of heat pump upon TH upon TH minus TL. Here ambient temperature is equal to temperature of low reservoir. So it will be coefficient of performance of heat pump upon coefficient of performance of Carnot cycle. That's all. Thanks for watching it.